Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome to Shri Satyasai Lokaseva Gurukulam. Dear students, during the last session, I had introduced the poem. Now we shall continue. I had given you some homework. In order to comprehend the poem thoroughly, I had given some questions. We shall see whether you have to cross check whether you have written properly or not. Who stands there? So I had underlined who, and you have to focus on the point jazz player. Jazz player stands there. You might have written like that only. How does the jazz player look like? Jazz player looks like an ancient mariner. If does is there and look is there, while answering you have to write looks. What is his old face full of? His old face is full of wearies of living. Next, fourth question. How is his collar? His collar is frayed. Why does his shirt turn dark? Does and turn is there. So while writing answer, you have to write turns. His shirt turns dark because of sweat. Does he tie the necktie tightly? No. He ties the necktie loosely. Next, is his stomach sagging? Yes, his stomach is sagging or hanging. How are his shoes? His shoes are run down. What are there in his shoes? There are papers in his shoes instead of a sole. Has he shaven his face? No, he has not shaven his face. What does each wrinkle on his face show? Each wrinkle, his wrinkles are there, no? Each wrinkle on his face show pain of mundane life. That means worldly life. What kind of a solitude is it? It is self-brought solitude, self-imposed solitude. Is his head still down? Yes, his head is still down. Are his eyes still down? Yes, his eyes are still down. Are his ears brighten up? Yes, his ears are brighten up or active. Where does his alto saxophone lie? His alto saxophone lies on his chest. What does a wire coat hanger support from his neck? A wire coat hanger supports alto saxophone from his neck. Where does he lift the musical instrument? That means a jazz or saxophone. He lifts the musical instrument between parted lips. What does he say to the world? He says that he is a black man. Why was he sent to earth? He was sent to earth to preach the black gospel of jazz. How is he preaching? He is preaching with the words of screaming notes and chords. What kind of notes and chords are they? They are screaming notes and chords. Is he a white man or a black man? He is neither a white man nor a black man. He is a bird. See the change there. What does he gather to fly? He gathers, see does and gather are there, two words are there. So while writing the answer, you have to write gathers. Third person singular is there. He gathers his wings to fly. Where does he fly? He flies to the distant sky. Does he come back? Yes, his purpose is not served fully, so he comes back. What does he become again? He becomes a black man again. I had already told you, please study the entire poem thoroughly. It would be a good idea to answer all the questions which are given after each session in the textbook. Also, the exercises at the end of the poem should be completed. A separate notebook should be kept for grammar, composition and notes. Thank you.